Hello guys and welcome to another video. So in the previous video I did some things which I haven't tested yet, but do not worry about that. Everything I assure you is working. As you can see in the finished application, everything is working. Just we'll test it in the future and get it all done. The reason why I find it difficult sometimes to test is because my internet connection is always stable when in my home here. It's only when I go out, so that's the only way I can test the application. But for now, as you can see, the finished application is working perfectly, so just don't worry about that. uh, After this video, after this tutorial, I'll put the complete source code where you download and fix your errors. And the complete source code, even if you try to build it alone, that will work. So in this video, I'm going to add the emojis. So when a user clicks on any of the emojis here and send it, so this should send and show like this. And also I can click on this keyboard to toggle between the soft keyboard and the emoji. I can also select which emoji type I want. Is it people, nature, cars, or anything I want. I can also click here and then I can delete the emojis out like this. So this is what I'll be doing in this video, so stick around and enjoy it. Now in my Android Studio, I already added the emoji package. So this package contains a lot and lots of files. So I'll open each of the files and explain it to you. So these are the functionalities of the emojis itself, and this is the emoji. This emoji package is the main emoji. As you can see, it has emojicon. It has the nature, which is I think which is this. Which of this is the nature? I think this is the nature. I think yeah, this is the nature. So it has objects, people, places, symbols, and all of that. And again, this okay, just to point out, this emoji, everything about the emoji is done in Java. So this is where we'll add Java to our code itself. So we input both Java and Kotlin. We'll add or we use both Java and Kotlin in one project. So it's very possible in case you didn't know. So the emojicon, let me start from the first. So I'm going to open up the emojicon. This is just the class that handles the emoji. Then the nature is the emoji itself. So as you can see, it is what forms these emojis are just keyboard characters. So any character you input some characters, then it helps form the emoji. And this class is a class that implements a serializable, and it also has some constructors in it, some of which are empty and some of which contains something. And so I'll close this and go ahead and explain this one. So this is the adapter itself that handles the scrolling, and so like this all of this is handled by the adapter. The scrolling and the clicking of each of the items is handled by this class. So, and as you know, this class has its own layout, which if I should open that up, it's just, oh, there's an error here. Okay, so this needs my emoji edit text view, but it is extending from the wrong package, or it is getting it from the wrong package. So I'm going to delete that out, and then I will call it again emoji text view. Let me see which of these. So this is the one I want. So the emoji text view is just, this is a custom view I created, which is here, and I'll show you in a second. So this is the emoji edit text itself that handles the edit text. So this edit text you're seeing is not just an ordinary edit text, it's the emoji edit text. And the emoji edit text view is not just a normal text view, but an emoji text view like this. So this is the adapter. This is the grid view that handles the grid, that handles displaying the images in grids like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so 10 items in each row. So you have to display them in grid. So currently have errors here, but I'll fix this. This is not really a problem. Then the handler itself, so this is where the emojis are being formed, and each of the characters to an actual emoji, which is located in my global folder. So as you can see, this is very much, so I will put the complete source code so you download them. And this is for handling the recent images. So for example, when I click on this and send, if I go to this recent tab, it should show me the recent emoji that was just selected, which is this one. And then the recent grid handles playing it in grid. And this is the manager, of course, that handles the emoji. Then the span, the pop-up, oops, I have a lot of errors here. Let's see, first of all, I import this. So that's it for the explanation, guys. So I have to import all of this. Import, enter to import them. Import. Any other error here? Import. So no more errors. Okay. Yeah. So with that, I'll be adding the emoji functionality to our entire application, which is let's see, includes all in our chat activity. Where is it? Chat activity. So the emoji functionality will be added in this class, and I will do that in the next video. So thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not.